The day of Sri Ram Navami. It was the day of Sri Ram Navami. Most of the women of the society were sitting in the hall. Grandma was narrating the story of Ramayana.
In this way, Ram Lalla, along with Mata Sita and brother Lakshman, returned to Ayodhya, and the reign of Ram started in Ayodhya Nagari. And with this, the last chapter of Ramayan Katha ends. Say then, in the name of Sri Ramachandra, Jai! In the name of Bajrangbali, Jai!
Then, taking the blessings from the idol of Sri Ram, all the women went back to their respective home. Gattu Chinki started talking in the hall.
I am impressed by Lord Sri Ram. Like him, I too will be an ideal son. Yes, I will also be the ideal daughter. I will fulfill all the promises given to Dad.
After that, both of them started watching cartoon and got lost in the cartoon while watching. That's when their father came and saw both of them watching cartoon and said, Gattu Chinki, you both watch the cartoon later. Remember the yellow file I gave you that day? Go down with that file. Our office peon will come. Give it to him. I'm going out for some important work.
Dad, by what time will Peon uncle come?
He'll come within 15 minutes. He just left from office a while back.
Okay, Dad. As soon as an ad breaks comes between the cartoon, we will go down with the file.
Promise?
Promise.
Their father went out and Gattu Chinki was again lost in the cartoon. Half an hour passed by watching. Both of them had completely forgotten about the file and were enjoying the cartoon. Then their mother's mobile on the teapot started ringing. But both were so lost in the cartoon that no one paid attention to the mobile.
Hey, Mom's mobile is ringing. Let it be. It's surely Aunt's call. If we tell Mom, she will tell us to switch off the TV and we'll keep talking for hours. Leave it and watch cartoon.
In this way, both of them ignored the call and again got lost into the cartoon. 15 minutes passed by and suddenly the TV got off. Gattu Chinki saw their father was standing near the switch with a very angry face. Seeing their father, Gattu and Chinki remembered the matter of the file and both got scared.
Sorry, Dad. We got distracted while watching cartoon. We will go right now and give the file to Peon uncle. He has come, right?
Then their father's eyes went on their mother's mobile phone placed on the teapot and their father got even angrier. No need of that. It's my work. I'll do it myself. You do your own work. Go and study. Saying this, their father went to the room and went out of the house with that yellow file.
Dad is very angry with us, Chinky. What to do now? Yes, let's go to Grandma. She will definitely give us some solution.
Gattu and Chinky came running into Grandma's room and told her everything with a sad face.
What should we do, Grandma? We wanted to be the ideal children of Dad, like Lord Sri Ram today. But we annoyed him instead. Grandma, what should we do now? Will he talk to us or not?
Hearing this, grandmother said with smile,
Why not? He will definitely talk to you. Your father can't be angry for a long time on such a small thing like file. But children, you have to understand one thing. Becoming an ideal son like Prabhu Sri Ram is not so easy. For that, you have to break all the temptations. Prabhu Sri Ram left all his happiness and majestic opulence only to keep his promise to his father. With a smile on his face, he left to live in the forest just to fulfill his promise to his father. And look at you. You could not leave a cartoon episode to fulfill your promise to your dad.
Their father was listening to all these, standing outside the room. As soon as their grandmother finished talking, he came in and said, Not only that, Ma, the peon was waiting outside the gate. When the file did not reach, he called me. I left my important work and kept calling their mother. Their mother's mobile was in front of them on the teapot. But they were so lost in cartoon that they ignored the calls also. Then I have to leave my work and came to switch off the TV. Hearing this, Gattu Chinky started crying.
Forgive us, Dad. We will not make such a big mistake again. We will not break the promises given to you. Today we understood how big a sacrifice Prabhu Sri Ram had made to fulfill the promise given to his father. We could not become like Sri Ram, but we will definitely try to be a good son and daughter. Sorry, Dad.
Hearing this, their father said smiling, "Don't worry kids, this is not such a big thing. These kind of mistakes keeps happening. Today on the auspicious occasion of Sri Ram Navami, both of you wanted to learn something from Lord Sri Rama. This is the big thing." Saying this, their father hugged Gattu and Chinky, and seeing this, along with Gattu and Chinky, their grandmother's eyes also filled with tears.